Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung S25 FE, and today I'll show you how we can boot this device into safe mode. So, to get started, swipe down from the top of your screen where you'll find your power button, click on it, and then from the boot options you want to hold power off. When you do so, you can see that it changes into safe mode. I'm going to click on it once, and this will now reboot the device and bring us into safe mode. Now in safe mode, only the pre-installed applications will function. Any app that was installed after the setup will be temporarily disabled, and neither you nor the device can start it up. Now on Samsung, this actually includes a lot of Samsung applications that you have, and even though typically those look like their default device applications, and by name you'd also think that they are default, they are not. Samsung installs a lot of their applications while you're setting up the device, which requires internet connection. Therefore they're not part of the actual Android after the reset, and therefore they'll also be disabled in safe mode. Such as applications that will be disabled will be things like your browser, clock, calendar, notes, and other ones, which you will see in a second once the device boots up. So, any more notifications? Okay. So you can see every app that is kind of grayed out right there, like this, will not run in this mode. So right now, these are, I believe, all the default apps, apart from maybe Firefox, I think, and News, but they could be wrong. So under even Samsung folder, you can see these are all default Samsung apps that come almost with the device. Now, you don't know this primarily because you are forced to connect to network, but these are being downloaded while you're setting up your phone. And we have things like Samsung Shop, Smart Things, a voice recorder, internet, wearables, wallet, find, and then a bunch of other things like members, Instagram, Spotify, Facebook, Google TV, Drive, oops. And here we have some more like Copilot, Outlook, LinkedIn, and more normal ones: calendar, calculator, notes, YouTube Music, clock, and yeah, that's I think all the applications that are being turned off right here, but still more than you might be used to. And just to showcase this, if you try to open them up, it gives you this pop-up right here. So this is obviously done for troubleshooting purposes, so if you have a malicious application, that app can no longer run in this mode, and you can manage it, get rid of it, or fix the problem. Now once you're done with safe mode and you want to go back to the normal one, so you can use all the applications, again find the power button, and this time around you're just going to select restart. When the device boots back up, it automatically boots into normal mode. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.